Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to stay on top of important events with SMS alerts? In this video, we'll walk you throughout how to set up Zapier SMS notifications in 2024 so you never miss a critical update. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, the first thing that I would need you to do is pretty simple. Go ahead and open Zapier.com. Click into the apps area and search for SMS alerts. So click here and search for SMS and simply wait for it. And if it didn't show up, let's just write alert. And here it is. Now click on it. And as you can see, it will open this window for you. In this area, you will have to create or log into your SMS Alerts account by putting your username and the password. If you don't have an SMS account already, then simply just open a new tab and go ahead and create one from their website. So you can go right here and simply wait for the page to load and create an account right through this area. And here, as you can see, the service is not available in my country, but normally it really depends on which country you are living in. You will be able to create the SMS alerts account in case it was available in your country. Also, you could use a VPN in case you would like to actually have that in your to have that account within your account management. Also, here within SMS alert, there is the integration from the you can click on Zapier, which is basically mentioning a lot of things that could be helpful for you. We are going to skip that because we already have this video that I'm going to do right now to help you do it. So once you have connected your SMS alert account, you should verify it. So let me just show you an example with other apps. For example, here, this account should be working. So let's test it out. So let's click on reconnect, not reconnect, but test connection. And as you can see, in case it has been sent test successful, that means that the account has been successfully connected. There is nothing wrong with it, everything is going smoothly and there is no issue. But in case it told you that there was an error or something like that, then simply just make sure to reconnect your account and everything is going well. Now, after you finish with that, go ahead and click on create and click on Zaps. Now, Zaps in Zapier are basically the automations. So here the automation in Zapier will be divided on two steps. The first step is the trigger and the second step is the actions. It could be a lot of actions, but there will be only one trigger, so put that in mind. Now the trigger is basically what will happen first. So if you search for SMS alerts, as you can see, SMS alert doesn't really have any trigger. So let's go ahead and put it right here in the actions. And as you can see here, let's view and take a look about all the events or action events that we could be using from SMS alerts. So first of all, here, if you clicked on choose an event, you will have three main events, which are create a contact. So it creates a contact in a particular group, schedule SMS, so you can schedule an SMS to be sent in a specific time, and finally we have send an SMS, which is gonna be sending an SMS. Now this SMS alert is now gonna be helping us to make an automation. This automation will be basically based on whenever there is an update, whenever there is a new notification in a specific app, this SMS alert will send us an SMS into our mobile so we never miss something. Maybe you have turned off the notification for your email and basically you want to have only the important things sent to you. Then in this case, you would be probably likely having this issue, so we need to fix that. So normally, for example, let's say that you are using Shopify and you are having new orders. Now for Shopify new orders, let's say that you don't have Shopify on your mobile phone and basically you didn't know about, or you have an issue about keeping up with new orders and having every new thing. Basically you are taking time, you have to go back home and simply open your PC to view if there is any new orders. But with this automation that is right here, it will be very simple. So let's go ahead and make it. So first of all, go ahead and choose the event. Here we are going to pick from Shopify, for example. Now Shopify is only an example, guys. It is not something like that should be followed exactly. You could put here whatever app you think of, whatever is thing that you want to add as an SMS alert to be sent to you as notifications so you can keep up with it. It could be your school lecture, YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram page, Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, whatever. So let's go here and make new order, which is gonna be the trigger. So the trigger here that would trigger this whole automation is the fact that there will be a new order. Whenever there is a new order, a new SMS will be sent to me. Now, for the new order here, let's select the account of Shopify. Click on continue. Here will be the test. I'm not gonna be testing it since I don't have any orders right now in the business account. It is just a test account. Let me just skip the test. Continue. And now the same thing goes for SMS alerts. Now for SMS alert, there will be a couple of other configurations that you have to take in consideration. Since I don't have the access to the configure, since I do not own an account, unfortunately, because you need a VPN and you need a couple of other things to actually create an account with that within their service. So for that specific reason, I'm just going to talk to you about the configure. Once you click on configure, there will be a lot of fields. Now you will have to put your basically the recipients or basically the recipients of the alert. Just simply put your phone number in there, which is gonna be like your phone number. Yeah, simply phone number. Just put there your phone number, so the SMS alert will be sending the SMS to that phone number. Also guys, for the message that will be within the SMS, you can customize it depending on what service are you connecting it with, depending on the alert that you are working or making. So there is a lot of option to write in there. In my case, in Shopify, I will simply just write there is a new order. There is a new order in Shopify. Make sure to fulfill it. So this is something that I will be looking for and making. Now also that once you finish, click on publish, which is going to be right here. Once you're done, make sure that you have enough zaps or tasks, because basically in depends on your store or your service, how many times are you willing or expecting to be using this notification. If it was more than 100 times per day or per month, then you have to manage your plan and get a premium plan. It gets higher amount of tasks, so you could be able to fulfill all of the automations. Now the task is basically when the trigger starts and the last action finishes. So this is one task. So make sure to have enough tasks so all the triggers could be done easily and effortlessly. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.